you know them can't believe. Jamaica, we have a bobsled team.
The fastest of Jamaican sprinters. Go to Olympics, fight for Jamaica.
You better believe it. From the heat of the tropics to the chill of the ice, Jamaica stunned the world with its unforgettable debut at the 1988 Winter Olympics. What began as a daring dream on frozen tracks has grown into a legacy that keeps on pushing. The island in the sun carved its place in Olympic bobsleigh history, competing consistently from 1992 through 2002 before roaring with a powerful comeback in 2014. Ever since, Team Jamaica has been blazing down the track, charging full speed into the 2026 Winter Olympics after making history in 2025 with their first ever North American Cup victory in Whistler, Canada. Since then, the team has been unstoppable, climbing to the top of the podium several times. So, from a daring dream to reality, proving that greatness knows no climate, no limits.
Ready? Ready? Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme. Get on up. It's bobsled time. Cool running.
All right. So as mentioned, we've talked about it before. Jamaica has officially qualified for 3 events for the 2026 Winter Olympics in Italy, marking another historic milestone for our bobsled program. Now, before they jet off to represent the black, green, and gold, we're joined by members of the 4-man and 2-man teams sharing their journey, their sacrifices, and what we can expect on the world stage. So we have, of course, you know him already, we have Nimroy Turgott. He's here in studio. But on Zoom, we have Shane Pitter, Joel Fearon, Junior Harris, and Andrae Dacres. Welcome, one and all.
Why you guys look like welcome to data, man, first of all?
Them look like, ooh, when I show up
Welcome
on
to
here.
the principal office.
Hi, guys.
Like somebody say, oh, come guys. No, behave yourselves. Congratulations, guys, for representing Jamaica and doing us proud. I think you should give yourselves a round of applause. And guys, you also give yourselves what you want?
Whatever.
You can also, tell me how you guys got involved in the sport. Nimroy gave us his story. You guys can give us your story as quickly as possible.
So I was at a track meet in Jamaica when Ronaldo Reed, a past Olympian in 2022, was recruiting, and I didn't know what bobsled was at the time, and he was like, do you want to join the bobsled team? And I was like, and he said that a tiny box that you push on ice and jump in. I was saying like, cool. And that's how I became a part of the Jamaica bobsled team.
So all of you guys are pretty much have a track and field background?
Yeah.
And that's the story that Rolando sold you guys. That's that they push on ice and we just jump in. And all of you jumped in and bought it.
Yeah, but like you just said, sir, you were like, what is that? And him said, push something and jump in. Can you guys explain to us, like, what was that like? Like, when you heard that recruited to come and be a part of the whole thing, what was the feeling like for you guys when you know, say, you're going to be on a bobsled, 4-1 in the bobsled? What was the thoughts? What was going on in your mind at that point? Anybody?
Yeah.
Honestly, no thoughts. It was, I just go at it with an open mind. Like, didn't expect anything. Just go at it with an open mind and just give it a try, because unlike Shane, I just got an email saying that the bobsled team wanted me to join, and I just give it a shot with an open mind.
I like that.
Right, so one person you got an email. The other 2 persons got what? WhatsApp messages or texts?
They're quiet.
Yeah.
They're not quiet.
You guys look like they're greetings from across the world. I am over here representing Jamaica. Guys, we are proud of you. But you guys won gold. 8 gold. 8 goals in what disciplines?
2 and 4, man.
2 and 4 months. Oh, which of you guys are on the 4-man team and which of you are on the 2-man team?
Everybody.
Roll up.
It's an interchange.
Oh, it interchanges.
Yeah.
So everybody does everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah? What's the best pairing? Like, what are the best?
Who's the best gas pedal?
Who's the best?
Nimroy. What the fastest one that like?
Yeah, who's the best 2-man team?
So for this season, we have 2 9 points. Joel.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
That's Joel.
Yeah.
That's right, because Joel quiet and shy. I didn't know how to talk to him.
So we have 2 runners who run 9 seconds already. So Joel is one, and Taekwondo, which is not here,
Right.
is one. We have Junior, is a 10-3 runner.
Right.
I run 10-1.
Right.
Dacres is also a 10-3 runner, and Shane is.
Shane is quick.
I don't
Shane is
remember his
quick.
PB, but he's quick.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, how does it feel to know that you guys have officially qualified for the Olympics? You are now Olympians. How does it feel?
That's the new guys.
Who are the new guys?
Shane, Dacres, and
Dacres, one on one. How it feel? Yeah.
For me, I always want to be an Olympian, and bobsled give me that chance. So I'm looking forward for that.
Okay. So I have a question, right? Because when I was watching the movie, it felt a little like, almost like poking fun. Because you see the man them in Jamaica, it's hot, and you see them run down the hill and do stuff.
Yeah, right.
So I want to know, because now you guys are Olympians, do you do any training in Jamaica? And if so,
How to train?
how to do it?
How to train for bobsleigh?
Without the
ice in Jamaica.
Yeah.
yes, we do. So during the off season, most of our training consists of running and lifting heavy weights.
Okay.
So it's similar to like track and field training,
Okay.
but we run shorter distance, maybe up to 60 or 80 meters the most, because you push the bobsleigh for around like 25 to 30 meters, then get in.
Right.
Yeah.
So we're trying to be fast at
Over a
30
short
meters,
distance.
shorter distance.
Okay.
So most of our training is sprinting and heavy lifting. Also, we do have a push track here at GC Foster.
True?
Yeah, we do. Where we train and to push before we
So
go
it's not
off the
so
ice.
farcical. You do train here.
Yes, we do train.
And mimic the ice and all that good stuff here.
Yes.
How dangerous is the sport though? I mean, you guys are going, I don't know how fast you guys doing on the track. You have one person who is the driver, who is responsible for steering. So I'm sure issues can occur. I'm sure you can have accidents. How really dangerous is this sport?
Well, for me, I don't think it's dangerous.
You look like you're just having fun.
Yeah, I don't think it's dangerous, but accidents do happen and can happen. But as I said before, we have a really good driver who is extremely focused. He's athletic, he's focused. He has good hands. So for this season, it has been
Stop it.
smooth sailing.
Okay, so what I am so proud of you all. I'm so
Big up on
impressed.
yourself.
Wanna big up on yourself. Like Winter Olympics and Jamaica, I didn't think those two things would be in the same sentence. Thank you guys so much for joining us on the show. Thank you so much. I have so many questions, but it is what it is. Big up yourself, sir.
What would you say to Trinidad, who has been inspired by quick thing? When I said to them that has been inspired by you guys entering bobsled and doing well.
Get out the way. Get out the way.
What would you say to them? Quick thing. One word.
It's Jamaica. We're the capital of the world, not only the Caribbean.
On that note, that's a good way to end it, sir. Thank you. Big up yourself.
All right,
On
so
that note,
yeah, the team is heading off to the 2026 Winter Olympic Games, and this happens
Congrats.
next Friday. It begins next Friday, February 6th in Italy.
Yes.
Michael Moore representing Jamaica in the women's monobob competing on February 15. And of course, we're going to watch them and support them all across
That is right. Big up yourself.
Big up on yourselves. Congratulations.
Everybody.
Definitely.
We're so proud of you guys. And yeah, so we're going to take a break. On the other side,
Yeah.
we've listen.
Aleno?
Alain's still there.
Oi.
And I'm going to sing to Nimroy.
She never sing to him.
Okay, about him, I don't know, but we'll have to sing after the